This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the bonnet slightly, then pull the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. Unclip the safety prop from the slam panel and engage the end with the holes on the bonnet underside. The battery is located at the rear of the engine compartment. Undo the stud and disconnect the battery negative lead from the left-hand suspension tower. Cover the end of the lead to prevent accidental reconnection. Slacken the clamps and remove the air pipe. Unclip the wiring loom, then slide up the locking catch and disconnect the wiring plug from the mass airflow sensor. Unhook the rubber retaining ring. Pull the air filter assembly upwards to release the rubber mountings and remove it. Release the clips and lift the battery cover from place. Slacken the clamp nut and with a twisting motion, pull the positive lead clamp from the battery terminal. Unclip the wiring loom and remove the front section of the battery box. Undo the nuts and remove the battery retaining clamp. Slide the battery forwards a little, then depress the clip and disconnect the battery monitor module wiring plug. Lift the battery from place. Take care as it's very heavy. If required, the battery negative lead can now be detached from the terminal. If removed, locate the negative lead clamp over the battery negative terminal, push it down firmly and tighten the retaining nut. Apply a little petroleum jelly to the negative terminal to prevent corrosion. Locate the battery in the tray with the negative terminal at the rear. Reconnect the battery monitor module wiring plug. Fully insert the battery into the tray, then ensure the leads are correctly routed. Refit the battery retaining clamp and tighten the nuts securely. Slide the front section of the battery box into position and clip the wiring loom into place. Locate the positive lead clamp over the battery positive terminal. Push it down firmly Then tighten the clamp nut. Again, apply a little petroleum jelly to the battery terminal to prevent corrosion. Refit the battery cover. Uncover the negative lead, then refit the stud and tighten it securely. Manoeuvre the air cleaner into position, then press it down firmly to engage the rubber mountings. Secure the rubber strap around the intake duct. Reconnect the mass airflow sensor wiring plug and clip the wiring loom back into place. Refit the air hose between the air filter housing and the throttle body. Then securely tighten the retaining clamps. Detach the end of the prop from the bonnet and clip it into place on the slam panel. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.